My name's Jimmy Chittum and I'm president of Flying Circle. Today I want to talk to you about one of our backpacks called the 220 Brazos. We like to call the Brazos the Swiss Army knife of backpacks. The reason is it makes a great tactical pack for the field, and it also makes a great everyday backpack. We designed this bag to have as many cool accessories and features as we could possibly fit into it. Something that makes this backpack great is its two large main compartments. First, in this large main compartment, we have a laptop sleeve, and on the other side, we have a organizer panel with zipper compartments and a couple Velcro pockets for change and cards, and it also has an ID holder. In the other compartment, we have a padded tablet sleeve that has MOLLE on the outside so you can attach accessories as necessary. And then on the other side, we have this really nice large mesh pocket with double sliders that's great for holding items that you want to dry out that might be a little damp. The Brazos has over 20 pockets. There are pockets on top of pockets and there are pockets inside of pockets. You'll notice on the outside here, we have 4 pockets that are about the size of a cell phone. And then on top of one of those is an even smaller pocket that's good for change and items about that size. This top pocket is a great little accessory pocket. You can see that on the inside, there's a little ID holder with a clear window, and there's also a keychain holder. You'll notice that we've added MOLLE almost on every part of the bag, even on the inside. On the top here, we have 2 rows of MOLLE. Going down the side, we have MOLLE. On the shoulder straps, we have MOLLE. On this pocket here, we have 2 different types of MOLLE. One just plain, and then one made out of Velcro, so you can put patches on there if you want. And then even on the inside, we have some MOLLE where you can add additional accessories that you might need out in the field. You'll notice that there's some MOLLE webbing running across the bottom. We did that for a couple reasons. First of all, it adds a little abrasion resistance. The bottom of the bag tends to get a lot of wear and tear. Also, we made it MOLLE compatible, so if you have extra equipment, you can attach it using this webbing. Let's talk a minute about the shoulder straps and the waist strap. Both of these are highly adjustable. You'll notice that the shoulder straps have a sternum strap. The shoulder straps are detachable at the bottom with the side release buckle, and they are also adjustable for length. Also on the back, you'll notice that we have this mesh. This mesh provides extra padding, and it is very breathable. We also added it to the inside of the shoulder straps here. On the top of the shoulder strap, you'll notice this nice little pocket here. It's great for a little pocket knife or a small flashlight. Here we have the waist strap. It has a side release buckle. It's adjustable for tension. There's also some little bitty pockets on either side, perfect for small accessories. This waist belt is also removable if necessary. There's some Velcro that holds it in here. All you have to do is detach that Velcro and slide it out. Another really cool feature of this bag is its concealed compartment. Just inside the padding on the back is a double slider compartment that unzips to a very large compartment that goes all the way through to the other side where there's another 2 sliders. This is a great spot for concealed carry, or if you've got other items you want to keep secure. Another cool feature of the concealed carry pocket on the back of the backpack is that you can unzip both sides and slide it over the handle of your rolling luggage. You'll notice that the Brazos has 3 carry handles, one up top and then 2 on either side. This makes it convenient for when you need to pull this out of the overhead compartment or slide it out of the back of your truck. The Brazos is hydration system compatible. I wanted to take a second and show you how to install a hydration system into the Brazos. Open the bag, take your hydration system, and you'll slide it down into the laptop sleeve. Using the Velcro closure of the laptop sleeve, you can secure the top of the hydration system. Then you take the hose and route it through one of the ports on either side of the bag. Once you've routed your hose through one of the ports, you can follow right down one of these shoulder straps utilizing these MOLLE loops so that your mouthpiece ends up readily available. Like most of the packs that we offer here at Flying Circle, we built this one out of 900 denier polyester, which means that it's tough and very durable. Like all of our products here at Flying Circle, this pack has a 100% lifetime guarantee. If anything were to break or fail during the lifetime of this bag, you let us know. We'll fix it or replace it for free.